Yeah man, blessed morning my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Scene. So guess what now? You don't know, going to the gym earlier. As usual, go bust a sweat and take care of my body because you only have one body to take care of. See? So get an exercise routine. Go out there, go bust a sweat. Do something. Move your body. Because the older you get, the slower your metabolism gets. That means you gain weight faster and you lose weight slower. So get with the program. Get a little exercise routine and do what you have to do. Alright? Yeah man, so anyway, this video is not going to be long. I just saw a clip of a immigration issue. I'm going to play it so you can hear it for yourself. So watch it and then now me come and tell you my thoughts on it real quick. Alright, cool. Watch it and come back, come talk to me. Alright.
Woman who overstayed her visa is now in jail nearly 400 miles away. She says she was detained after going through TSA at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. And that's where we find local 10's Janine Stanwood live with this story. Janine.
Louis, this is part of the national immigration crackdown. Even people without criminal records are subject to deportation. And this family says they want to fight that.
We were homeless in the Bahamas, and then we came here.
James Walkeen admits he and partner Lashar Smith overstayed their visas more than a decade ago when they came here from the Bahamas looking for a better life. But Tuesday, they never imagined she would be arrested at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, they say by ICE agents.
She went through TSA. They was giving her a hard time with her ID, and they were saying that it wasn't scanning.
The Broward Sheriff's Office was called, he says. She was then taken into custody.
Immigration stepped in, and they determined that she has no criminal record, but because they determined that she's an overstay, they took her in.
An inmate of Baker County Jail. For account approval, press 1 to accept.
While we were there, Lashar called from jail.
I miss you too, princess. Oh, yeah, come home.
She says she was moved to a detention facility in Baker County, 5 hours away.
A lot of people that were birthed here, that works here, don't understand what immigration or immigrants have to go through.
But under law, if someone overstays their visa, they are here illegally and subject to deportation. The new administration has made that clear. Joaquin tells us they've tried to get their papers. It didn't happen soon enough.
A lot of red tape and confusion. It got to the point where I had to get my 24-year-old daughter to refile again for me. I've been here since I was 8, back and forth to the Bahamas. This country is all I know. I can't hate it.
Joaquin says he's already spent a lot of money trying to get legal status. Now he wants to hire an attorney because his focus is getting his partner out of jail. We're at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. I'm Janine Stanwood, local.
All right, so you watch the video. So this is about a couple, a female, I think a Barbados them come from, or Bahamas, one of them islands, but it reminds me of Jamaica, or Jamaicans that is in the States and are not legal in the United States, meaning them overstay them visas and for whatever reason, them not sort out themselves. Listen, all of my Jamaicans them, me talk to Huno, where they are Florida, New York, wherever in the States. If you not travel for a visa and then you not overstay, that is a problem. And them not care how much pitney you want to have, them not care how much cry your daughter want cry or how much your husband miss you, them not care about that. You have written rules and written laws. Once you break those laws and rules, you have to hold yourself accountable. They are going to hold you accountable for that. So you have to understand, say, yes, it is unfair and it is unfortunate, but you have to understand, say, you have rules and regulations everywhere. And once you break it, them are come for you. So me I want every Jamaican, anywhere you're there in the States, you know, see if any how you travel by your visa and any how you're illegal, you know, you are not a resident, you are not a citizen in a stateside, you're in a problem. Donald Trump now play. And these people are come find you. So, we just give out a little warning, because everybody out there I try eat a food, I try better themselves, better them family back home. And it is very unfortunate when them hold you. We have to understand, say, so it go rules and laws. And a lot of people, you know, a lot of us Jamaicans, when we there, either we travel or we work overseas or whatever, we forget to set up a house or set up something back home. That's why a lot of us are scared to go back home. That's why a lot of Jamaicans are scared to go back where them come from. Because them not have nothing, them not have a room, they not have a zinc or a nail. And them family fall out. Them not take care of them family back home. Them not join one little room, one little bathroom pan them mother place. Them not buy a piece of land to put up one room pan it. So them scared to go back home. That is the problem. Every Jamaican, listen to me, yo. Anywhere on there, if you can't buy a piece of land for yourself, draw hand, put on one little room for your mother place or your grandmother place. Them now run you. Put on one little room, one little bathroom. Do something. If you don't have the money to buy your own land, your own house, put on something for your mother place, put on something for your father place, put on something for your grandmother place. No Jamaican now turn back them pitney if them a try help themselves. No Jamaican now do that. No mother, no father now do that. You know when them not count you, anytime you go away and you no business with them now go business with you. So take heed, learn, and don't farm fool. Big up on yourself. Big Voice Radio in the building. Big up on yourself.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.